Hello my dear friends, I'm back again with this new video, and in this video I will be explaining the formulas that I have been using for the tables of 89 and 98. You may have been thinking why -1, +1, and how all these you might have been thinking and trying to make sense to yourself. But let me explain these formulas to you so it will make more sense. So first of all, as you can see, the formula of table of 9, we subtract 1 and add 1. As you can see, I've written the mathematic numbers that we only have these mathematics numbers. There's no other number than these numbers. And how these numbers form the entire mathematic up to billions and trillions of number. So once you can learn that, it becomes very, very exciting and easy to understand. So as you can see, for the table of 9, we subtract 1 because 9 is one digit difference from the 0. So every time you add 9, the difference increases by 1. So if we add it 3 times, the difference will be increasing by 1. So that's why we subtract 1 from the each answer we get in the table of 9. And the reason we add 1 is because every time you add 1 to 9, it will be giving you the answer, the 2-digit answer. So that means there always will be +1 that needed to be, so +1 means a digit that needed to be added along with that answer. So that's the -1 and +1. And now the restart point after the 0. Only time there will be no addition and there will be no subtraction is when we starting from 0, because 0 cannot be added and it cannot be subtracted. So for example, 9 multiplied 10 is 90. So now after the 0, we're gonna be restarting again. So if you writing the table of 9, the question becomes the answer. So 0 plus 9, the answer will be 9. So we're going to be starting from 9. And there will be no addition and there will be no subtraction. And so 9 multiply 11 is 99. That's how the restart point works in the tables. So now similarly for the table of 8, we subtract 2 and add 1. So the reason we subtract 2 is because the 8 is 2 digits away from 0. So every time you add 8, the difference adds up to the four digits. So -2 and -2. So to keep covering that distance, we subtract 2. Now, the reason we add 1 is same, because if you add 8 to any digit, the answer will be there will be an extra digit that we need to add. So that's where the plus 1 comes from. And another, you might have been thinking that 8 plus 1 is 9, and there will be no extra digit here. It gives you the single digit answer. In the table of height, there will be never ever an answer ending with 1, because in the even number tables, the answer will always end in the even number. And the lowest even number we've got is 2, and 2 plus 8 is 10. And then again, so the answer in the table of height will always be ending either in 2, either in 4, either in 6, either in 8, or either in 0. The answer will never ever end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The even number tables will always end in the even digit, the last digit of the answer. And that's the formula, the explanation of the formula. So I hope that it will now make more sense to you, that how these formulas work, and it will make more mathematics sense to you after watching these videos. And please do watch my previous videos, because once you watch those videos, this becomes very, very clear. So it's a step-by-step process. So if you start right from the counting, it will make more sense because it's a step-by-step process. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching.